I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening ClipChamp and creating a project with the correct aspect ratio. You want 16:9 for most screens. Next, import your footage, drag and drop or click Browse, then place the clip on the timeline. Once the clip is on the timeline, zoom in to about 1/2 or 1/4 for precise editing. You do this so you can access audio controls accurately. Make sure the clip is selected before moving to the next step. With the clip selected, go to the Audio tab or right-click and choose Detach Audio. This is the fastest way to isolate sound. If you want silence only, use the mute toggle. That keeps the audio layer but sets volume to 0. If you need to remove audio entirely, detach it, then select the separate audio track and press Delete. Once deleted, make sure to add brief audio fades if replacing sound so transitions remain smooth and avoid abrupt cuts. Preview the timeline to verify the audio is gone before exporting. Play back several sections to be certain. Once satisfied, export with your chosen resolution and format, then play the exported file locally to confirm silence. If you still hear sound, reopen the project and check for hidden tracks, nested clips, or an extra audio layer you missed. ClipChamp can retain audio inside an imported file container. If that happens, detach again or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.